guys, today on the channel I'm going to be showing you how to install the 16.7 iOS update. First thing you got to do is click in this, and then I'm going to type in my code. There we go. And then you got to click on agree. Agree again. There we go. And then we'll check on it in a little bit, guys. You gotta let it load. Make sure you always do a software update. I turn on automatically updates. Alright, we'll let this load, guys. We'll check on it in a little bit, guys. Alright, now that it's installed, now you gotta click on this. You gotta click on this. I always use my thumbprint, which it doesn't really let me. I gotta type in my code. There we go. That's how you install an iOS update. Comment, like, subscribe, always share on social media, and click the bell and turn on all notifications. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel Sands, the world famous YouTuber.